Becoming wealthy involves a combination of financial discipline, hard work, and strategic decision-making. Here are some general rules to help you on your path to financial success. 1. Set clear financial goals. Define your financial objectives and create a clear plan to achieve them. 2. Live below your means. Spend less than you earn and save or invest the difference. 3. Invest wisely. Learn about investing and diversify your portfolio to make your money work for you. 4. Continuous learning. Keep educating yourself about personal finance and investment opportunities. 5. Entrepreneurship. Consider starting a business or side hustle to increase your income. 6. Network and build relationships. Your network can open doors to opportunities and partnerships. 7. Budgeting. Create and stick to a budget to manage your expenses effectively. 8. Avoid debt. Minimize and manage debt, especially high-interest debt like credit cards. 9. Long-term perspective. Be patient and think long-term, as wealth accumulation often takes time. 10. Mentorship. Seek guidance from successful individuals who can offer valuable advice. 11. Risk management. Take calculated risks but also ensure you have a safety net. 12. Financial literacy. Develop a strong understanding of financial concepts and investments. 13. Adaptability. Be open to change and willing to pivot when necessary. 14. Hard work and persistence. Success often comes from consistent effort and perseverance. 15. Give back. Consider philanthropy or giving back to your community once you achieve financial success. Remember that becoming rich is a journey that requires discipline, patience, and a commitment to your financial goals. It's not guaranteed, and the definition of rich can vary from person to person, so it's essential to align your goals with your values and priorities.